Hey guys, it's Code Exploit here, and today I'm going to solve a lab from Portswigger, which is based on DOM XSS in document.write sync using source location.search. So first of all, before going through the walkthrough, you'll have to understand what is document.write and what is location.search. So I have already written here with examples so that my your precious time won't be wasted. So first of all, document.write is a JavaScript method used to write content directly into the HTML. So you can see this is known as document.write. Okay. Um, so this is it's basically called sync, and the location.search is basically called the source. Now, why is it called sync and source? You'll come to know about that. But before that, let's understand what is document.write. So whatever you see on an HTML page, whatever gets rendered out in the HTML page, suppose say document.write and hello world h1, this will get rendered out in your web page. So this is document.write, so it's also known as sync. And location.search is a property of the location object in the JavaScript window object. It represents the query string portion of the URL, that is everything after the question mark. So the question mark represents a search query. Like if you understand from the, if you like go in any web page, you will see that there is some to say www.example.com page/page question mark means where the parameter one is value 1 and the parameter 2 is value 2. So these values will depend on the website's input values or whatever it is. So these whatever after the question mark, whatever there is, all of these are known as location.search. Okay, so this is called source, from where we get the value from the user. So we get this source and then we write it into the document in the web page of the HTML or web page. Okay, so after this, let's access the lab. I've already solved this lab, and here it is. Okay, so it says this lab contains a cross-site scripting vulnerability in the search query. Okay, in the search query, this here. Okay, okay, so I've already explained this. You have to perform a cross-site scripting attack that calls the alert function. Okay, first of all, let's type some random input. So you go here and let's search. Obviously we won't get any results, so what I'm trying to do here is something is getting rendered out, right? Something is getting rendered out. So why not let's inspect the page here and search for this particular word, and let's see wherever it is placed in the web page. First is there some random thing, I don't know, document.write, and again location search. Okay, we don't need this. See this h1, zero search results for code. This is rendered out one. Okay, second thing here is really interesting here. Whatever we found out till now were not that interesting and useful for us, but this is really interesting. Why? Because this particular search query is getting stored in this image tag, and this image here, as we can see, is not visible, right? It's not rendering out. So the developer has clearly made some mistake here, and this is vulnerable to the cross-site scripting attack. So how it is vulnerable? We can see inside the image tag there's a source. If you know web development and JavaScript, you must know that this particular tag, and this is resource slash images. So basically this is a directory for the image file, but whatever is happening, what is happening here after the question mark, that is a search, after the query string, search terms equals to code. So whatever we type here, any random, say random thing like that, whatever we are searching here is getting stored in this particular image. See, this weave is stored here. So how can we determine that there is an XSS? So what we're going to do is um, I'm trying to I'm going to break free from this codes. Okay, so how I'm gonna break free? Let's check. Suppose I'm writing my name here code and I'm going to break free by writing another code. Let's check it out. Okay, mm, let's search for this string. We want to search for the interesting part, not yes, this is the interesting part, right? Now see, I have mentioned this code here and I have searched for the string here, but the thing is it only shows in this h1 tag and it doesn't show up here. See what it's doing here. So basically this developer has made one blunder by adding equal to here so that whenever anyone tries to break free it won't allow it, but still there is a flaw out here, right? uh, okay, so we have broken the code here, so why not we try to write our payload somewhere in this area here. So what happens, I'll explain it later. Code and say onload equals to alert, and let's try to search again. Okay, that didn't work. Let's see what's wrong here. And okay, it's not showing up in the image tag, right? Okay, see this thing, we of course we have broken out from this code, but still there is a problem. There's another two codes available here. The reason being that's why we are not able to break this application right here. So we need to break free from this code as well. So how can we do that? Let's copy this, copy and paste it here. Say I want to, what if I close this code here, this code here, and I'll try to access again. See, if I open this code here and this code closes here, so somewhere I'm trying to make this particular event work, right? Let's check it out. Yes, it's working. So it's alerting, it's showing a pop-up box. Yeah, the lab has been solved. Okay, so now you will have some doubt that why I have written on load here and what is the reason for this, right? I'm going to explain. Okay, so what this thing is doing here is, see there is an image here, very small image, that's dimension is 1 cross 1, right? 1 cross 1 here somewhere here. Where is it? Yes, this is 1 cross 1. This is being loaded, right? This particular thing is being loaded, and what I'm trying to do is when the page loads on load, you throw up pop-up box by giving an alert. So that's what basically is happening here. If I try to do it again, mm, this one, yes, it's throwing a pop-up. That means this we have officially broken this application and found out the vulnerability. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.